What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are outside my buddy Chris's shop and he's going to be making some more parts for the V8 rear wheel drive Prelude, and he's actually going to let us go inside and take a look at the process. So let's go take a look. Now, before we get started in today's video, I do want to say thank you guys. If you're new here or you've been here for a while and maybe you're not aware, my channel's growth has been absolutely amazing. You can see that it went crazy at a certain point here. It was just a few months ago, and ever since then it's been climbing like crazy, and it's just super exciting to try to keep up with it and see all my new followers rushing in. It's absolutely amazing, so thank you guys very much. What I'm going to be doing is a giveaway for these shirts here. I have the Prelude shirts, and I also have the Wrangler shirts that look like this. And if you want to be entered, all you gotta do is comment. You don't even gotta like, you don't even gotta subscribe. Just comment so that I can see each individual entry, and then I can go through that and pick a lucky winner. But yeah, thank you guys. Let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing, or what Chris is going to be doing, he's going to be taking this solid block of aluminum and he's going to be cutting it down and making a piece for me, and it's going to basically be replicating this top piece of the coilover in the back, and that's going to allow me to put some universal custom coilovers in the back, and yeah, you guys will just see how it looks shortly. So just a quick explanation as to what he's actually making right now. This is the Honda struts that we had in the back, and we want to make it fit one of these. And essentially he's making a plate that we can drill one hole in the middle, and then it'll accept this bolt. And hopefully we'll be able to use one of these. So here's a look at what the part is going to look like. Obviously it's not done, but you get an idea of what it's going to be. It's going to be bolting into the car here, and then it's going to just be underneath the strut tower, and then the new coilover will be going through here. Now obviously that center hole might not be big enough, but smaller is better, because when we actually get the parts in, then he can measure what the bolt is going to be and then drill it to a bigger size. Just walking through the shop, and he asked me if I wanted some parts for my engine. We're going to be throwing in some big turbos. Obviously I'm just joking, guys. And there you have it, guys. These are the parts that Chris made, and we'll take these home and I'll show you exactly what they're going to be. All right, now that we're back at home, I can show you guys what those plates are and how they're going to work. It might be a little bit hard to see, but I'll try to show you guys. I can take it from inside here and I'll just put it underneath, and it gets bolted in there, and then I can put my coilovers in. I'll try to show you what it's going to look like from underneath here. Basically this plate goes, I can't reach it while holding the camera, but that goes right underneath there, and yeah, it'll be sandwiched between the car and the coilover. Anyways, these are awesome. They're going to be perfect. I really do appreciate it, Chris. Thank you very much. He's always helping me out, guys. I mean, I'm pretty lucky to have him as a friend. Not only does he have some really cool machines at his disposal, but he's actually a great guy, and he's always willing to help me out. And same with Greg, his brother. They are always there for me, so it's just great to have friends like that. But anyways, let's talk about what we're doing in the front now. Now that the back is pretty well figured out, now Chris is also making me some plates for the front that I can weld in to basically make new strut towers, and then I can use all Mustang parts. So for example, right now I got these caster and camber plates in just temporarily, just to see what's going on. And what I ended up doing was I went with a newer style Mustang strut and spindle assembly, because it was a better way to get the 5 lug conversion, because the actual bearing is 5 lugs and this was the old setup here. It was the actual rotor was where the bolt pattern was, and that went on to this spindle right here. So what I did was I upgraded to the newer, I think it's 96 to 05 Mustang front struts, and I'm gonna be getting coilovers for those. And luckily I had someone that's local here that watches my videos help me out a bunch, and he lent me that spring for this mock-up purpose. And I now know that these wheels aren't gonna work because that's not good. The spring is touching the wheel. So what I'm going to be doing temporarily is running spacers all along the 4 wheels for now, just to keep going with the project. But in the end, when I get this car on the road, I'm definitely going to want to get some different wheels that'll fit this car a little bit better. I just don't like the idea of running spacers. I don't know what I'm going to do in the end yet, but for now we're going to use spacers just to keep moving forward. But anyways, guys, now that I know what the options are and basically what my game plan is, I am going to go ahead and order the springs because I'll be honest with you guys, it's a big purchase. I didn't want to do it until I knew for sure it was going to work. And I'm still not certain, but I'm definitely able to visualize it a lot better now that we have these new parts here and I'm mocking up the front with different stuff. So I know that it's going to be able to work, and we can make it work. Even if it's close, we can tweak things. But yeah, we'll be ordering some springs, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks again, guys, for your support and for watching today. Make sure you guys like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.